Hello darlings and welcome back here to my channel. Today we're doing another Monica Vinader unboxing because if you have seen my last vlog I showed you that I got a package from them, and today I'll show you what I ordered. Also I have a few bits and pieces to show you as well, some from H&M Home, the most beautiful plates ever, and also I made a L'OCCITANE order for my travels because I'll be going to Bulgaria soon and I needed to stock up on essentials. So I'll show you basically what I got recently. So without further ado, let's start with the video. If you haven't watched my previous videos, I'm part of the Monica Vinader Insiders program. That's the last bits that I received because I'm in the diamond tier now, and that's one of the best things, to be honest. Everything came so nicely packaged. They came in those little cute boxes which you can just pull out, and then you have a blue pouch which says Monica Vinader on it as well. I just love their packaging. It feels so luxurious, so nice. Since last few times I ordered necklaces from there, I decided to change it up a little bit, and this time I ordered something way smaller. So that's the first piece that I ordered, is their diamond ring from their diamond collection, and it's absolutely stunning. I love the sparkle that it gives out, and also the band underneath is golden, which I love gold and sparkly things, so that's the best combination ever. I am just starting to love stacking up all my rings, so that's going to be perfect for this. And it's definitely going to add up to my collection, to my previous rings. I have already showed you a video with my jewelry collection, so you know that I have golden rings, I have some from Swarovski, but I don't have feminine ones, something that I can just add on to the other rings, so that would be the perfect thing. It's so feminine and I believe it's a timeless piece, but also the golden band underneath makes it a little bit more special, a little bit more interesting and kind of edgy as well. The next thing that I wanted to show you actually came in this pouch, and it's my favorite thing so far, and it's not even jewelry. I can't believe it, but it's the cutest thing ever. It's a jewelry box. Now that I have a little bit of a collection, I decided to get something to store them in, and it's the most beautiful jewelry box. I decided to go with the smallest one because I just like the shape of it and everything else. They have few different colors, but I just fell in love with this Tiffany blue, and also as you can see I have decided to put a V dot heart or VV and it's the most beautiful thing ever. You can personalize them, you can put different things on it. I'm not sure how many letters you can actually get in there, but isn't it beautiful? The color is really exceptional. It's that Tiffany blue and it actually looks like a macaroon, and that's why I actually decided to go with this one because it's the cutest thing ever. On the side it does say Monica Vinader in here, which is very nicely put with the golden initials. The zip is also golden, so all in all it's the most beautiful jewelry box ever. They do have bigger sizes, however I decided to purchase a smaller one because I am thinking to add up to this collection and get maybe the pink or the nude one, and it really is going to be like macaroons. I'll put them one on top of each other and it's going to be the cutest thing ever. Also the outside bit is all leather, the zip goes very nice and smoothly, so that's very satisfying. And on the inside I actually have put some of my order already inside. So that's what the jewelry box is on the inside. It's just as beautiful on the inside as on the outside. You have space for necklaces on each side. You have space for earrings on top, which is perfect because I think that's exactly how many earrings I have. And also you have place for your rings, which I have already put the rest of my order in here. I'll show them to you in a little bit more detail in a second, but you can see that there's quite a bit of a space, and I feel like that's exactly what I need. And once my collection starts growing a little bit more, I'll definitely purchase one more of them beauties because it is the cutest thing ever, like a macaroon, come on. And also the initials part. I was wondering so much what I should put. Should I put Vikki? Should I put V and V? But then I saw that they do different emojis and like doodles like this one, so I decided to go with the heart because it's just very cute. And that's where I usually put my Nura necklace, again from Monica Vinader, because It's just the perfect space as well for it. The next ring that I got is just as glamorous, if not even more, because it reminds me a little bit of a seashell, of the Little Mermaid, and that's why I decided to get this one, because I thought it's going to be the perfect addition to whatever I'm wearing. You can definitely stack it up with the diamond ring and it looks very beautiful. I actually really love how it is when it's stuck together with this one. It just gives it even more sparkle. I love them separate as well. It just has the most beautiful shape ever. I just love everything that has that croissant kind of shape. I am just obsessed with it, and that's going to be the perfect little addition. And the very last ring that I got is this one. I don't know how it was called, but it looks a lot like rope and it's very feminine, it's very gentle, and I love it so much. I actually ordered it in a size smaller than the other ones just because I wanted it for another finger. I was hoping to go on this one, which is kind of alright, but in reality it's gonna go on my, I don't know how it's called, marriage finger. So it might look like I'm married, but I'm not. It's just the finger that it fits on, but it's so gentle, so nice. I just love this little cluster that I have created, and by adding my other fingers it's just gonna be perfection. And the very last thing from my Monica Vinader order is something that I just wanted to try out, to be honest, because I don't wear usually things like this, but I wanted to give it a try because it looks very cool on some girls, and that's what it is. It's an ear cuff, I think it's called. So you don't need to have a piercing for it, you just put it on the side of the ear and it just stays there. Am I going to wear it? I'm not really sure. I'm gonna show you how it looks. I might actually just gift it to my sister because she wears things like that and she's going to get more wear of it than me because I don't even know how to put it on. Please excuse my red ear because I was struggling for a little bit, but that's what it looks. It actually looks pretty cool. Maybe I should start wearing it. I'm afraid it's going to fall out, but actually it is staying there. It feels very secure as long as nobody like pushes it out of my ear. If you can see, it actually has the exact same shape as the rope ring, but it's a little bit thicker. I just like that twisted detail to it, and yeah, I am going to gift it to my sister because I'm not really sure if I'll get a lot of wear out of it. So darlings, that was my Monica Vinader order, and now I'm going to show you the H&M plates, which are to die for. There was that one image on H&M which I have been looking at for quite some time, and I didn't know where those pieces are from or when they're launching, and I have been stalking it ever since. And they have finally launched the plates, and look how beautiful they are. I got two in pink and two in white, off-white. I think it's more like an off-white kind of color because they're the most beautiful plates ever. They give me such a mermaid vibe and it's so nice to eat in them. Even if you're having a soup or something, you can just put the bowl inside this plate and it's going to start looking magical immediately. That's what I did the other day, to be honest. My sister loved the plates as well, and I just thought I would mention because they're going to sell out very quickly. And I also saw that they have stocked up in the same kind of design, like a little dishes for butter or something small, or even you can get them and put your jewelry in them as well. For example, that's what I do with this one here. I got it from H&M Home again, and it's shaped like a seashell because I just love that theme. Everything that's like a seashell, I love it, and I just put my jewelry in it and it's the cutest thing ever. Like whatever I have worn during the day and I take it off, I tend to put it in this little dish over here because it's the cutest thing ever. And now that they have the fluted ones in pink, I'll link them because that's going to make a very nice jewelry dish as well. Lastly, I want to show you my L'OCCITANE order because I ordered some essentials. Their marketing strategy is actually so good that I ordered my essentials and some more bits and bobs on top of that as well. So let's see what I got in here. So the thing because of which I placed my order are those little shampoo bars. I have actually showed them before in the video, like reviewed them properly and everything. You don't have to put them in your liquids when you're traveling with an airplane, so that's why I love them so much. You use them while you're there and it's gone. You don't need to carry it back. You don't have a bottle to carry back or anything, and if you do have a little bit left, you're not going to feel it at all in your suitcase. So I always opt for L'OCCITANE shampoo bars when I'm traveling. I got 2 this time. I think I'm going to need only 1, but I'll be traveling again afterwards, so I'll definitely be using both of them. They have 3 different kinds. These ones are my favorite, the blue one and also the purple one. They have a red one which is for like hair restoration, which I don't really need, so that's why I stick with these 2. I'll definitely link my video down below if you want to see the properties or hear more about it, but yeah, that's definitely my essential for traveling abroad. And there was one more thing that I wanted to try since last summer, and it's their very famous hand cream, which has anti-aging properties, and I would love to put it to use. That's what the packaging looks like. It's very luxurious. I'll definitely be using it today because I'm thinking of planting flowers in the garden, so I'll be outside during the whole day and the sun is shining quite a lot, so I need something protecting my hands from the sun. After all, I am 27 now, so I want to start using things like this from early on, so I make sure that I have young looking hands because I feel like that's very important. And yeah, I'm gonna give this one a try because I've heard a lot of good things about it. Now the next thing that was quite unexpected is in this little box, and it's just different miniatures for traveling, and they are things that I basically wanted to try out. So that's the shampoo bar that I told you about. It's like the same as the shampoo bar but in a liquid format, so I want to try their liquid shampoos as well. I also have their very famous shea butter hand cream, so I have a small bit of that to use and try and see if it's good to purchase the full thing as well. What's this one? Shower oil. I just love their packaging, how luxurious it is. It feels like I'm in a hotel spa, so that's really nice. And the thing that I was most intrigued by is their Immortelle serum, which I've heard a lot of good things about it as well, and L'OCCITANE is just such a good brand that I really want to try everything, and having the chance to try the miniatures in like a less than half price, it's perfect. So this one is the Reset Nuit Hyaluron Serum. If you're French, I'm sorry. So yeah, I'll be giving this one a try because that's the thing that I'm most curious about, and I'll check if I would like to purchase the full one as well. And what surprised me even more is how many offers they have. So on top of everything that I got before that, I received this little box as a free with the purchase, as long as you spent over £40 I think it was or something, or even less than that, you get this little box. I think they change their offers all the time, so look out for them. So these are the rest of the travel-sized babies that I got, and in this one we have a foaming bath, which is perfect because we have a bath in here, some more shea butter, which I'll definitely use because I'm using quite a lot of hand cream these days, a very nice looking soap. This one actually looks like from a luxurious hotel. As everything else, we have more of the shower oil, and this one is a pillow mist, which I haven't used yet, but I shall. I just love receiving free goodies with my purchases, and who wouldn't, to be honest. So darlings, that was everything that I wanted to show you today. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget that I'll be linking everything in the description box below. I would also recommend following me on my Instagram because the things that I'm showing you now I have showed on Instagram first, because it's just way easier to do a story than a video, so the videos get seen way later on than the stories. So I would definitely recommend going and following me there because I'm showing you some good things on there as well. So yeah, that's going to be it for today, darlings. Sending you lots of hugs and kisses, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!